here, the all-new Honda Insight. Following the debut of the prototype in Detroit, Honda is finally showing off its handsome new hybrid in the sheet metal. Scheduled for an official showing at the New York Auto Show in just a few days, Honda's latest entry into its growing fleet of electrified vehicles is also one of its most advanced. Borrowing a number of design cues from the rest of the Honda range, including the flying wing grille, the low-profile LED headlights and taillights, and the coupe-like roof line, the Insight will be positioned, and priced, between the smaller Civic and the larger Accord. An efficient two-motor hybrid powertrain, similar to the one found on the Accord Hybrid, comes under the hood. A 1.5-litre gas engine paired to an electric propulsion motor and a lithium-ion battery pack delivers 151 horsepower, 112 kilowatts, and 197 pound-feet, 267 newton-meters, of torque. With 3 driving modes available, normal, Econ, and Sport, the new Insight has the ability to return up to 55 miles per gallon in the city. In the cabin, the Insight will come with an 8-inch touchscreen system and available Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, with standard Honda sensing technology. The suite of safety systems, including things like forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition, will be available on all trims, with upper trim X and Touring models also gaining Honda Lane Watch. The new Insight will be built alongside the Civic and CR-V at Honda's facility in Greensburg, Indiana, while the hybrid battery and 1.5-litre gas engine will be built in Ohio. The former will come out of Honda's Marysville plant, while the latter will be manufactured at the Anna, Ohio facility. No word on pricing or availability just yet. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.